Ka jing penlong ya ke jing akop marek thong third Sohra International Half Marathon haka arpui terik menta ubnai kala long ka ba isyong kun da ka jing don jong hadu palat nyo hajar ngut ki nong wan iashimbynta ka ba kentup ya ki shenrang bat kenthei na lor ki rang ya marek ki banabari kumju na ka ri bat kham tam na po ka jelang haba phai cha ka jing akop marek ka ba 21 ke open category u Akashay Kumar ulalong Lahduh da kabala ban pendep ya kejing mare haka shikenta lai minin kat bana kal yang ki kenthei la yora da ka Ankita ben Gavin kaba lala ban pendep haka shikenta 20 minit 20 second kani kejing yakop kalalong kabaya be ya irenti haka ba kamsham ladon kenu kejing puntut naki bor ka maryang haka por bala penlong ya kejing mare na ka benta ka 21k 10k bat 5k Henry haka por wa penkut la sakhi ya ka jing ther jong uslap bat ka jing tet prathat na kaliang ki pat ba nong shong shnong la sakhi ba kilami na laki jong ki ying ki sem ban yarisa ban ya thap ti kum kadak ban aimen sim ki nong iashimbynta kat ba kidang ya mare lenti khnang ba kin la ban poisha kathong na pedeng kini ki lai tali ki jing yakop mare ka jing ya mare na ka benta ka 10k ka dei ka bala kham itnat bat kham khring ya ki babun ki nong wan iashimbynta ka bala penlong ru ya ki bor penyat bakin hab ban shim khia shipor khnang ba ka ni ka jing yakop mare kan long da kalenti ka badai bat kilami ru bun ki khap ha ka bala hab ban kerpat ya ki nong iashimbynta ba kin long ki ba jai bat ban but renti ya ki jing patha ha ka bakhat do na kaliang ki bor penyat kum kadak ban perto ya ka jing wan iashimbynta sha ka ni ka jing yakop kila samru da ki takma ne ki finisher medal khnang bakan long kum ka jing sa jing kan mau na ka benta baro ki nong wan iashimbynta ki ka to ka ne ki riu pau khmat ki balawan ban iashimbynta bat ban sakhi ya ka jing alang sam khusnam ki kan thup yo ba kermen shila menteri ka sarkar jilla UMLA ka Sohra ba Gavin Miguel Melimngap MDC ka Sohra uba Tito Strowel Chirni MLA ka Syllad uba Balajit Kupar Sindrem lembat ki he officer sarkar
I'd like to thank the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for having invited me to be part of this program this morning and to flag off the third Sohra International Half Marathon 2024 and we are here at the starting point of the 21 kilometer. On this very important day for all the athletes present here, I wish you all the best and your spirit of participation is highly appreciated and we know that you put in a lot of effort to build up the strength to be here today and we wish you all the best. I know you have not come here to hear any speech. We are just here to wish you the very best and hope to see you at the end of this run.
So this is the countdown for the elite runners, men and women, at the third edition of the Sohra International Half Marathon. Kick-starting right about now on the count of 3, 2, 1! All the best, each and every one of you. May God be with you in one one and the first one. And bring the all the very best, each and every one of you. May you reach the finish line and enjoy the run. Welcome to the World Crowds. Welcome to Sohra. And have a good one, everybody. Have a good one.
Okay, I'm from Kenya and my name is Nixon. I'm Nixon Koech. Yeah, good. Maybe I expect it due to climate, somehow it's not favorable, but I expected the best. Yeah, this is the first time, but I've been here. I've been Father Dora. Yeah, last year. I prepare for like a month, 1.5 months. Yeah, for this race. I normally check the websites for the races in India. Yeah, and I check which one is better for me. Yeah, what I tell them is all about trying. Yeah, nothing easy. You have to struggle for a bit.
We are coming from Guwahati to participate in International Sohra Marathon. We are participating in 21 kilometer marathon, half marathon.
We are very excited to be here.
We are very excited to be here.
Yeah.
So how was your preparation now?
Yeah.
Just going on, it's good only. Yeah.
We got up
Enjoying, yeah.
morning no at 4 o'clock and we ran no half kilometer,
Half an hour, yeah.
1 hour. And so we experienced and we are very excited to be here. So we are planning means no we hope to win. Okay.
Organizing is very good and all well arranged. And seeing all the environment, we feel like more exciting to run. That is the main thing.
The communication is very good and the cooperating with us very this thing no food system and this thing no everything is very systematic. Okay. Thank you all.
Hi, my name is Pinsan Marbanyang and this is my first time participating in the Sohra International Half Marathon and I'm very excited to be a part of this marathon. The reason why I came to run is because I love to run. That is the main thing that made me come here.
Kanya Sohra Marathon kadai kasian kaba nam ta chunga. Te house nam arja khandreng ala compete. Te ka wala kataru yo hi construction arja khandreng. Te menta kadai kasian kaba nam ta chunga. Nga bangan ya contest naka elite ma nakat bat kiba naki outside state. Te wala kata ngia kerben hi lada namar haka jing ya khun hi ngimla ban batai lupa langi job ni langi ram ndai ka jing job ka jing ram kadan hi. Te wala kataru nginyali stom nangi Meghalaya baru langut miadan ni ini kun stom walangi nyimpai kata kathang ru next time ini lihat stom bangin jora saisian dah kajing ya tri stom jungi nyimpai kathang bagi temu.